Hey everybody, it's Papa and it's Sunday here. I don't know what day it is there, but we have an urge for some burgers. And I know I've cooked a lot of different burgers for you. And the one I want to do today is really kind of fun, and it's using the griddle, but it's not smashing it, okay? So what we're going to do is load up the ingredients one at a time. Let's start by seasoning the burger meat. These are big half-pound patties. And here's the secret weapon for hamburgers. Remember, Big Papa told you first, cash cow. Cash cow is splendid. Here we go. It's got alder smoked sea salt. It's got rendered beef fat. It's got rendered beef stock. Okay, so I told you the secret weapon on the burger seasoning is cash cow. But that's only half of it. The other half is Little Louis, seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. Now we're going to put a load on top of there. Not too much because it's a lot of salt. Pat it down. Flip it over. Cash cow, CC. And then we're going to let it just kind of sweat for a little bit. Double. Little Louis right here. I'm ready to load the prep tray because it's so important. Here we go. First thing on the prep tray, the burgers. Second thing, these sesame toasted brioche buns that I pre-buttered. And we're going to cook them on the grill. We're going for semi-American cheese. We're doing Colby Jack. I don't know what Colby Jack is, but it's a good name and I think it's going to work great for us. Now, what's going to make this really a cool burger? Little chopped onions, little diced bacon, some oil. Here we have Little Louis dressing that she makes that's so perfect, but we won't be bringing that out until later. Some eggs with some Little Louis, and some stash for the bacon just to kick it up a notch. And we'll put maybe a Little Louis on the onion too, so let me set these sideways here. And let's go out to the cooker. Let's make these burgers. Let's make them hum. Let's make them sing. Let's get some oil on here. Spread it around nice. I got this side, this right here to 350, and this side to 325. Dump the bacon here. Let's bring the bacon alive with some Big Papa stash, which we use on the competition circuit. It's got sweet heat, salt, pepper. It'll give it a really nice flavor. So we're going to just kind of let that groove over here. So now over here are the onion. Little Louis. Okay, now we're going to give this a few minutes. We want to caramelize them slowly. The bacon's just going to be beautiful little nuggets. We're going to mix the bacon with the onions when the onions get done. Put them to the side and we'll use them when we assemble the burger. Okay, I moved the bacon over here because I wanted to get some bacon grease to cook the patties in. So now what we're going to do, very gently pick it up and try and leave some oil there. Oh, this is going to be so good. We call these in the trades sublime. Now it's time to do the burgers. So what I'm going to do, put a little oil here. Five minutes with a little lid. We'll be right back. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's see what kind of crust we got here. Oh, it's nice. What kind of temp we're riding here too. That's 93, that's perfect. Now, set my timer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, And then I'll put the cheese under the melting dome. We should be really close. Should be beautiful. Could somebody say let's do eggs? I think that looks like eggs. In 5 minutes. Couple slices of cheese. The cheese melter, imagine why they call it that. Two eggs. Heat up the onions and bacon while we're doing this. Oh, look at those. See what our internal temperature is. Okay. Just a little bit more. Oh, look at these. Is that toasted to perfection? Burgers are done. When these eggs are done, we'll be golden. Okay, kids. Let's build these Papa Burgers. A little bun, a little Louis dressing, a big old cheeseburger on there, bacon and onion, how much fun is this, I ask you? Pretty dang fun. Does that look like a good burger to you? It sure does to me. We are done. D-O-N-E.